Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys another little project that I made using up this Floral Couture paper pad. So, I don't know what I made with most of these sheets. I feel like I made something recently that I'm really missing. Like I can't figure it out, but I know I had 6 sheets left that I was still trying to get through. I know I made stuff last year. I made Mother's Day albums with this paper pad, and then recently I made something, and then after that I had 6 sheets left. So then I made this folio album, which you guys can check out in a previous project share video, see what that looks like. But then I had some larger scraps and I was still able to make a couple of more projects. So let me share with you guys what I made because they're so cute. And this paper, you guys, is perfect for Mother's Day. So even like this folio album, it just looks beautiful. Perfect for Mother's Day. Perfect to store a bunch of photos and have that. And what I'm going to share with you guys is so cute also. So I was able to make a couple of these little keychain brag books. So these would also make a great Mother's Day gift because they will fit 2x2 size photos perfectly on here. And this idea I got from Heather from Covered by Grace Creations. She had shared some of these like little keychain albums a while ago that her mom actually made. So she shared what her mom made because her and her mom have like an Etsy shop together. So she shared what her mom made, and I just thought these were the cutest things ever. And they're such a great way to not only use up scraps of paper, but also scrap chipboard. So all of these pages are made of scrap chipboard. They are like thick and very sturdy. So if you do use these as a keychain, they will like last you a while because, like I said, it's made out of chipboard. So anyway, I have 2 of these available in my Etsy shop. They do fit 2x2 size photos perfectly. So just to quickly share with you guys, I just cut out like a little 2x2 photo mat on an index card, and it has like all the frayed edges and stuff now, but ignore that. So anyway, I'll share you with you guys as I go over this. So I have this little keychain already here, so you can add this to like your bag or your keys and just hook it on. So it's got the little lobster clasp clip, and then you could just hook it on. You've got cute little dangle thing here. There's also a little heart in here. And so this just kind of flips open like this. I've got some pocket pages, but you don't have to use them as pockets. You can, if you want, just add your 2x2 size photo directly onto there and cover it up. Like obviously take out the little tags, and then you would cover this up if you don't want to do the little tags. And if you do want to tag, maybe you don't want 2 tags in here. Let's say you just want 1 tag in there, but you want to add a photo here. You could always glue your photo down on 3 sides and then add the little tag behind it and have it like kind of like behind like that. But yeah, 2x2 size photos will fit perfectly in here, and you still have a border of the paper, so it's super duper cute. So there's just 1 pocket there. Here you've got a beautiful butterfly. Feel free to cover it up or don't, whatever you want. Another space for 2x2 photo there. Another one here. And then again here, if you don't want to use the tags, so I made cute little tags to go in there. If you don't want to use the tags, you can just add a photo directly onto that. So it's totally up to you how you decide to use this, but like for Mother's Day, this would be a great gift because they could just add photos of either their kids or their grandkids, maybe their dog, for fur mamas, whatever you want. So just a cute little thing. And this one also says on the back, I am thankful for you. So this one I didn't feel like adding my handmade kind of logo thing there because it has like a cut apart on the back. But I just wanted to use up what I had left in that collection. So there's that one available. And then there's also this one with more little charms. You've got the heart here as well. And this one has like a multicolored flower on the front. And it looks like this. Again, you've got a couple of tags here. A little pocket. And then same size, you could add your 2x2 photos. And then here, super cute. I loved making these with my scraps. It's such a great way to use up the scraps, and even like your scrap chipboard. So now what I do is kind of just like cut out that size that I need to make these in advance when I have some of those scraps, so that they are ready to go when I then have scrap paper. So yeah, those are the 2 little keychains I was able to make with some larger scraps still. And then coming up next, I will be doing some craft with me videos, sharing with you guys some embellishments and other ephemera that I will be making with the even smaller scraps left of paper. And you guys are going to see what paper I have left in that video when you guys watch the craft with me video. So anyway, these are, like I said, available in my Etsy shop. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.